Okay, back again to question number 15. Okay, a holiday park is digging a swimming pool. The volume of earth to be removed 135 meter cube. A mechanical digger can remove 0.15 meter cube of earth each scoop. Okay, how many scoops will be needed to remove all the earth? So each scoop I have here what, all of it 135 meter cube, and each scoop like remove 0.15. so if I divided 135 divided by the amount of each scoop, it will give me 900, which is the number of scoops. Okay, then the digger is hired by the day. Okay, the digger takes 2 minutes to take a scoop and dump it in a lorry. There are 8 hours in the working day. How many days should the digger be hired for? Okay, I have here like 2 minutes for each scoop, right? So if I have 900 scoops multiplied by 2 minutes, it will give me 1800 minutes. These 1800 minutes, if I divided it by 60, it will give me 30 hours. I have here each working day is 8 hours, so I'm going to divide this 30 by 8 to give me 3.75 days. So I should hire him for 4 days to cover this 3.75, so it will be 4 days. Okay, Ellen throws a normal 6-sided dice and flips a normal coin. What is the probability that she gets 1 on the dice and head on the coin? 1 on the dice, it is 1/6, and head on the coin, it is 1/2, because here I have 6 sides and here I have 2 faces. Head one of them and appearing number 1 is one of them, so it will be 1/6 multiply 1/2, which is 1/12. The probability that a person in a crowd at a football game wears a team shirt is 0.06. In a crowd of 25,000, how many people would you expect to be wearing a team shirt? So I'm going easily or simply to multiply them all. So 0.6 multiplied by to give me 1,500. Ali makes some ginger biscuits. She makes 300 grams of biscuit dough. Each biscuit is made from 35 grams. So how many whole biscuits? So I'm going to divide these two amounts. 300 divided by 35 equal 8.57. But I want complete or whole biscuits, so I can do 8 only. And here he's telling me something like that, so that, and give me the formula for calculating the radius, which is r of a disc spreading from a sphere of radius r. So I have to do what? Substitute here root 8 and the r cubed equal, I have the radius here with 1.8, so 8 multiplied by 1.8 cubed divided by 3, it will give me 3.9, so it will be 3.9. So he's telling me, show that Alice biscuits run into each other when he is cooking like that. He's leaving the space 4 centimeters. Look, the new radius will be 3.9. So if I having this is the biscuit. After cooking, it will be here 3.9, and the space is 4 centimeters between them. Okay, but just 4 centimeters. Okay, it was what? It was 3. The center, between the centers, I have here 3, then 4, then 3. So 3 plus 4 plus 3, this space will be what? 10. Okay, but after the spread 3.9 and 3.9. So I have here 3.9 plus 3.9, it will be 7.8. 7.8 plus the 4 centimeter, it will be what? 14.8. 14.8 will be greater than the 10. 14.8 will be greater than the 10. So 14.8 greater than 10. Okay. For the last page in this practice sheet, I will find, he is telling me the mean weight of 11 players in a football team is 62 kilograms. Okay, find the total weight of the 11 players. What is the rule of the mean? The rule of the mean that the total weight of them divided by their number, which is 11, equals 62. So the total weight will be 62 multiplied by 11, which is 682. So the answer will here 682. Then the mean of the 11 players and 2 reserve. That means instead of over 11, it will be over 13, is 63. Okay, what I have here, the total which I got before 600, here, the total which I got before 682, plus the 12th, we have 2 reserve. One of them is 66, so plus 66, plus the second one reserve, that what I don't know, I will name it X. So cross 682 plus 66. This is the 11 players, and this is the one of the reserve, and this is the other one, equal 63 multiplied by 13, it will be 819. Add those together, it will be 748 plus X equal 819. Send this to the other side, I will find that X equal 71. So X here equal 70. Okay, for this question, he's telling me that the age in years, the circumference in centimeter divided by 2.5. So the age equal the circumference over what? Over 2.5. So calculate the age here of a tree whose circumference is what? 140. So it will be 140 divided by 2.5. It will give me 56 years. And here the same, the age equal the circumference over 2.5, but this time he's telling me find the circumference of a tree that 480 years old. So 480 equal the circumference over 2.5. So the circumference will be 480 multiplied by 2.5 equal 1200. So it will be 1200. Okay, for the last question, I have here, Jack makes a 500 kilometers motorway journey. He decides to drive at an average speed 85 kilometers per hour rather than 105 kilometers per hour to save fuel. How long does it take Jack to drive 500 kilometers at this average speed? We said before that the average speed equals the distance over the time. So from here I can say that here 105, the average speed he said equal the distance, which is 500 over the time. So from here I can find the time. 500 divided 1.5 105, sorry, equal 4.76 hours. So it will be here 4.76 hours. Okay, how much longer does Jack take to drive 500 at this average speed? Okay, I will find this first. It will be 500 divided by 85 equal 5.88 hour, and here we said we get it before, which is 4.76. Subtract them together, it will give me 1 hours. Okay, look at this, it's very important. Okay, he's telling me use this information in the graph to find how much fuel Jack uses on the journey when driving at 105. So look here, this is not a direct graph. We have to find something from it first. I have here at the 105, I will go here 105. It is between 100 and 110. So go up at 105, it will be here. And if you can see here, if I went like this, it will be here between the 15 and the 20, kind of 18. This is not the usage. That means that each 1 liter he can drive with it 18 kilometer. That means what? If he is at average speed 105, his usage will be 1 liter for 18 kilometers. So this is not the liter, this is the fuel efficiency in kilometers per liter. 18 kilometer per 1 liter. So I have 500 kilometer, so 500 kilometer divided by 18, it will give me 27.78 liter. Okay, then this is at 105, 27.78. But if he's telling me to calculate the difference or the save that 85, so I will find 85 first, then subtract them. Okay, 85, I will go to 85, which is between 80 and 90, like this, and go up, then go like this. I think it will be 20. So for the average speed, which is 85 kilometers per hour, he will use 1 liter to drive 20 kilometers. So 500 divided by 20 equal 25 liters. So he will save between this and this 27.78 minus 25, it will be 2.78 liters. Thank you so much.